Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Look who I'm hanging out with today. This is Rebecca.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, she is a new face. We have not baked before.
No,
This is our first time.
Yeah, well, I'm not exactly good at baking.
Okay, so what would you say your experience? Are you a beginner, intermediate, advanced baker? It's more like
a solid beginner.
Low
beginner. Yeah.
Well, this is the perfect place to start because then I can teach you all the tips and tricks.
I'm excited.
You're gonna be prepared. She is amazing, you guys. If you have not already checked out her channel, I'll put a link down below. If they go to your channel, like, what cool things will they find? Because I already know.
Well,
very creative. I love it.
Well, I would say if you come to Ro's channel to learn how to bake and do DIY stuff, mine's a bunch of fails. So if you need to laugh, come to mine because I fail at a lot of
It's a lot of like nailed it situation. We also did a video over on her channel, so I'll put a link down below to go check it out.
I transformed Ro into a giant princess.
Literally.
I basically had to.
She transforms me into a cake princess like this, but in real life.
Yeah, I mean, mine's not quite as good as her cake, so get her line and learn it the right way, but I try.
And if you are new to the channel and would like to show some support, hit thumbs up and click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. So today we are going to be making a princess cake. This was heavily requested video from you guys. I just released the princess cake pan to make this a little easier, and we did a poll on like Twitter, on YouTube, and I asked them, which Disney princess do you want to see? And you guys chose Moana!
Yes!
So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. And I know you guys are gonna get technical and be like, well, technically Moana wasn't a Disney princess because she's like daughter of the chieftain.
But they voted for it, so she's just doing what you guys want.
So today we are gonna make her a queen!
Yes!
Yes, queen!
Let's get started!
So the recipe that we're making today is a yellow cake recipe, and you'll notice that there's a lot of ingredients. Yeah, this makes more than one cake. This is the perfect recipe that fits for this pan because it technically is 3 cakes.
It sounds like a delicious treat.
That's why there's a lot of eggs, a lot of flour, a lot of sugar. So this is the pan. So it's 3 parts, just like this.
This cake goals right here.
When the cakes are done, they'll be like, that one goes down, then that one, and then this one. As you can see, it's 3 cakes. It's a lot of cakes. And I'll be posting the measurements and the ingredients in the description, so check it out. Rebecca, you are gonna take it away. In a large bowl, you've got some cake flour, and
this is baking soda flour.
Baking powder. It's baking powder.
Comment below if you're like me and you really don't know anything about baking. And then
great.
Wait.
A thumbs up if you love her. She's doing so good. And
this is salt.
Yes, girl. Yes, girl.
Yeah.
Just add those to the bowl and whisk together till well combined. And when you're whisking, you know, keep it at a low speed so it doesn't fly everywhere.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Yeah. There you go, girl. Work it in. You want to spread it evenly. And while she's doing that, I'm going to make our basically egg mixture. I'm going to mix together 7 eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, and a little bit of lemon extract. I'm really proud of you. Like, all of the flour is in the bowl.
I haven't spilt it yet.
So once you got all this in here, look at this. It looks a little messy. But it smells
It
really
looks
good.
excellent.
I love her. Using an electric mixer, mix together until everything is well combined and it's doubled in size. You want this to get really fluffy. Fluff, fluff, fluff,
It's
fluff,
gonna be
fluff.
as big as you, Ro.
This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes.
But in your time, it'll be 2 seconds. So it is all mixed up, and Ro, what are we doing next?
Okay, so we're making this milk. It's kind of like a dairy mixture. It's melted butter. So girl, you pour in the buttermilk and I'll pour in the milk.
At the same time.
Double pour.
Is it like a race who finishes first?
You win. And then using the hand whisk, girl, you got this.
Just whisk?
Slowly whisk together like you did before.
Do you ever
That was good.
dance when you do it?
Yeah, I have a few dance moves.
Yeah, let's see them.
It's just a few. It's just a few.
It's just a sway?
It's just a few.
Okay.
Oh, we need more. A little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, that was a slow speed.
Sorry.
Correction. We need a medium speed.
Okay.
We need a medium.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see.
I feel a lot of pressure right now.
Wait, this is looking really good. Yes. This is all mixed up. And now we're gonna combine all these things into the pink bowl. I maybe should have picked a larger bowl. This is, it's gonna be borderline, but we got it.
We like to live on the edge when we bake.
Add all your dry ingredients to your egg mixture. Then mix together, and then we're gonna be adding our wet ingredients. I'm gonna have you use the electric. Yes! Have you used an electric
I don't
mixer
think
before?
so.
And whatever you do, don't hit this button right here.
Okay.
This is the code red button, don't hit
What
that
does
button.
that do?
This shoots out the beaters, and it does it with some force. Like this brand KitchenAid is really forceful.
Okay.
So like, it will actually project. Okay, so here, you just push it up one click, and that will be low.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
And you start at a low speed so you don't get a big poof dust cloud.
I've done
and then
that.
you work your way up. Like now, I think you could push it up another click.
Ooh.
And as you go, take a little spatula. Look at this, scrape down the side so everything's nice and even. Girl, you are baking. I would say this is a medium to advanced cake recipe, so you're doing very, very well. This is gonna take teamwork. You mix and I'm gonna pour.
Okay.
Okay,
I
here
just
we
keep
go.
it in and
It smells so good. It's just butter. Just butter, baby.
just some butter.
Oh, yes. All right, then keep mixing. You got it. And you can make circles too.
Oh
yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Making princess cakes, getting our cardio. So just flick it down. Yeah.
Do we shoot it?
You want to?
Kind of.
Shoot them.
It does go pretty
so
far.
Our yellow cake batter is totally ready, and now we're gonna pour it into the pans. Each pan has been greased. I just sprayed a little grease in there. I'm gonna need your help. This is heavy.
Oh,
okay.
I got it.
So it has a little pour spigot, so I'm gonna try to use it. And we're just gonna eyeball it, so divide it into thirds. So technically it's 3.5 cups per pan, but we are gonna eyeball it.
Sorry, I'm distracted by Rose's really cute logo on all these
Oh my
pans.
gosh.
They're so cute.
You're making me blush over
I
here.
love it.
Okay, who needs more? A little bit
Go
here?
around. Don't do that.
Or do it. I do it all the time.
Do you eat the raw frosting?
Me, I do all
Or
the time.
I guess this is cake batter.
I don't even
Okay,
know if you're, you're
Don't try
probably
this
not
at home.
supposed to.
So these are now ready to bake.
Yes, they are. Heat your ovens to 350 degrees and bake these for about 35 to 40 minutes. They all go in together, they all come out together.
So our cakes are baked and we gave them plenty of time to cool.
Yeah, you don't want to frost them and put them together while they're still like hot or warm because they're gonna crumble a lot and they may melt the icing. Now we are gonna stack them together and frost, and this is my favorite part, and I think you'll be good at this.
You think I am?
Yeah, because you do a lot of like DIY projects and building stuff.
Yeah.
And basically we're just building right now. We're just gonna build this cake and
like I
decorate
built
it.
you.
Yeah. So in front of us is a turntable. These just spin around like this. Ready?
I love it.
Give it a spin.
I love this.
Yeah. So there's a large, a medium, and a small. So we're gonna start with the large. So Rebecca, pick up the large. See, I popped the cakes out and I leveled the top. So you can level them with like a cake leveler or like a sharp knife. And this one, you wanna flip it, ready for this? A twist. Upside down.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. All the cakes are gonna be stacked upside down.
Okay.
It gives a very flat top. Grab your icing bag.
Yes.
Here you are. And we're gonna ice the cake. You pipe an outline all the way around the cake and then just fill it in. You can do zigzags. All right, I'm gonna have you do the other zigzags.
Okay. Mine don't look the same as,
No, that looks great. Don't worry, we're gonna smooth it out. It's fine.
expectation versus reality.
Just take one of these. It's a little offset spatula. So
Okay.
I'm gonna have you hold them.
Oh, man.
So you just put gentle pressure, just really light. It's like barely touching it. And just look at this, spin.
Oh,
like a little pottery
nice.
class. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Hold
Yours
it
is
still.
so-
and just
go.
And just keep going around.
Ah.
And it will slowly get there.
So satisfying.
It's so pretty.
We stack again and we do
And
it
flip
upside
it
down.
upside down.
I'm learning.
She got it. She
Okay.
got it. She got it.
Is that
Perfect.
good? Okay.
And we do it again. A
Right.
little fence.
A little fence.
Like if this is your yard, you're just like building a little gate, like a little fence.
Okay, everyone in the comments section, comment.
Get it.
Rebecca, I could do better. If you think you could do better than this. Kind of looks like a smashed frosting donut.
We're gonna complete the princess dress right here. Right here, you got this. Line it up in the middle, flip it upside down just like before.
There? Did I do it?
That's a princess. That's a princess.
That's a princess.
That's a princess. That's a princess.
That's a princess. Kind kind of.
Yeah.
Like with no body or anything
It
yet,
just
but
needs,
you know.
Now we're just gonna cover it with icing. Now you can be fancy and do a crumb coat, let it chill, and then do a second coat. But we're gonna be putting so many cute like decorations on here that I don't really think that we need the crumb coat because it's gonna be so covered. I'm gonna show you the first couple go arounds. I'm gonna let you do it.
Okay.
So you start at the bottom and don't have it touch the cake, but just hover a little bit away from it.
Okay.
And then spin around, and you're just gonna keep spinning. So you apply pressure, and spin. And then you work your way all the way up the cake.
Do you ever get hungry and just end up eating the cake before you finish?
I have done that. That's why I joke that these baking videos are also challenge videos, because the challenge is not just taking a bite now. This is also just teaching us patience. It's supposed to be a virtue, so like this is just helping us. All right, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah. So just apply, and then with the other hand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got this.
See, I'm left-handed. It gets complicated.
You're left-handed?
Yeah, I know. Anyone else left-handed out there? All my lefties, give me a shout out.
I think I know 3 people, and you're
Really?
one of them.
That's it?
And remember, this part doesn't need to be perfect because we're gonna smooth it out, and we're gonna add a bunch of details.
Oh my gosh, it kind of looks like a beehive.
It does. It's like all frosted, and it actually does look like a beehive. And I do have a beehive cake recipe in my new cookbook.
Really?
Yes. Hashtag baking all year round. It's really cute. It's a bee. Like
I love it.
Like a baby cake, and it's like a honey cake, and it's so cute and adorable. It's good for like baby showers or like baby's first birthday.
Yeah.
Like, now we smooth it so that this will look like a princess. Okay, so you take your offset spatula.
Okay.
And you put it kind of like upside down, and you just lightly press it against the cake, so light, and you spin it around a bunch of times. You don't want to push in too hard because it's kind of hard to come back from that. Spin, spin, spin. And I'm not pushing in too hard because I just want a bunch of go-arounds. So when my sister and I made our first princess cake, we had a bowl, 2 cake pans, and then it was too short. The opening was not wide enough, so it broke the cake. And we had to carve. Like, this is when you have to freeze the cakes. It takes forever and carves the shape. So can I just say, no carving,
No,
freezing,
this is so
none of
easy.
that. This is easy mode.
It's Rebecca proof.
And just keep smoothing, and look how smooth it's getting. It's like
Could
amazing.
be a volcano too.
Yes.
Volcano cake.
I made one of those before. I didn't even think about that. You could put a little narrow cup right in there and do a volcano cake. I didn't even think
So
about
many
that.
ideas with this pan.
Boom, boom, boom. We were talking about a volcano explosion. That was just a mind-blown explosion. I didn't even think of that.
I was like, there's so many things.
That's why we need to hang out more.
Okay,
We're
we
like
do.
2 like creative peas in a pod.
I love it.
However you feel comfortable. And yeah,
I don't
the
feel
top is
comfortable at all.
Girl, pro.
Oh,
pro,
yeah.
Pro. Ow!
Cake goals right here.
I am
I'm
so
not
proud
nervous
of you.
at all. I'm really, I don't know how I'm doing this. Okay, so we iced it and smoothed it out.
Yeah.
Now what's next?
Now we decorate. This is the fun part. So again, in these little decorating bags, I've got some more frosting, and at the end, you'll notice there's a metal tip, and this tip is called a grass tip. I use it all the time. Like if you want to make like a little grass field, put a little soccer ball in, or like we were talking about Easter.
Yeah,
like,
Easter.
Put little like eggs in there. It's perfect because Moana's skirt is a grass skirt.
Yes.
So what you want to do, it's really easy. You're going to start at the bottom.
Okay.
Apply some pressure, and then slowly bring it up to the top and in. And you're just gonna go all the way around the cake.
So the skirt is done, and now we are going to add more decoration.
That's right, we're gonna top this off with some fondant decoration. If you've never worked with fondant before, it's basically like edible Play-Doh. It's moldable clay, it's a very thick frosting, and when you use your hands a lot, or with heat, when it warms up, it's very, very soft and moldable, and then when you let it sit out and it cools, it hardens. What we have in front of us is I just rolled out some fondant and cut out 2 designs. One's a little larger, and yours is a little smaller, but I've just cut out a zigzag triangle pattern all the way around the edges so that it will look like Moana's skirt, and with a little lollipop stick at the end, just punched out some holes. I did this before so it would save us some time.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna show you how to attach fondant to fondant. We've just got a little bit of water and a paintbrush, just a small paintbrush, edible arts and crafts. Over here, I've just cut out some yellow flowers. So you just dip, whoop, 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 the paintbrush into a little bit of water, paint onto the back of the flower and just stick it right on there. And then we're gonna attach the little middle of the flower. Yeah, perfect.
And then just
And
like,
then stick it down right there. Boom!
it's a lot of pressure.
And then
Okay.
we just do this all the way around the skirt. Bellissimo! It's beautiful!
So easy. We're like artists for food. I got a little crazy with
Oh.
that. This is me.
She got it.
Welcome to
Cat-like
my world, Ro.
reflexes. Okay, we are ready. Let's bring this princess together. Let's do this.
Show.
Oh my gosh, can you? I'm picking up the
my
fondant.
gosh,
I'm
okay.
placing it on top. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we
I
go.
do it?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. Place on top, and you can have big waves, small waves, whatever you'd like. If you'd like smaller waves, you can gently press the fondant down. But if you'd like big flowing waves, you can just leave it as it sits,
Oh,
whatever you'd like.
We're gonna let ours just leave it.
Yeah, and we're gonna line up the cut
Together.
with this one. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my gosh, yes. Now you know who we need? Moana! All right, now we've got our Moana doll. I am so excited. And if you're gonna place into a cake to make a princess cake and you'd still love your doll to be like perfect and not get a bunch of junk all over, what I like to do is you just remove the bottom clothing and then wrap in a food safe plastic wrap. You're gonna have to wiggle in there and then straight down. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
You got it, you got it. Just gotta wiggle it down.
Okay. Ooh, it fits perfect.
Oh my gosh, yes! Then to close the gap, we need to put her belt on, the sash. For this fondant belt, just rolled it out flat and folded. Wrap it around the back and we'll do a cross in the front.
Okay.
Oh, this is almost done.
It's so
okay,
cute.
let's add these little
Okay.
pieces to add a little bit more
Here.
volume, and she will be ready to go.
Ta-da!
Here is the Moana Princess Cake that we made today using the Princess Cake Pan. It was so easy to use, and I absolutely love it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it as well, because this is the cake that you guys picked and you guys wanted to see us make. Also, a huge thank you to Rebecca. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. I'm so
helping me.
excited.
I had a blast with you, and I absolutely love this girl, so please go show her some love. Go subscribe.
Subscribe to her if you have not and you
I'm
came
gonna
from my
link
channel.
down below, so go check her out. Also, go check out the video we made on her channel. She makes me into a giant life-size princess
Yes.
cake. It is unreal, you guys.
It's been a dream of mine. I'm so glad I got to fulfill
Check
it.
that one off the
I
list.
know.
Thanks again, you guys. And if you have any other ideas for any other videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to show some support, click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video.
To see all the videos.
To see all these. Yeah, any other princesses that you want us to make?
Oh my gosh. There's so many options.
We've made one. Check that one off the list. What else would you like to see?
Comment volcano if you want to see an exploding volcano.
Girl!
We make a big science project with this cake.